Have you ever wondered what really constitutes a stain on natural stone? You have a mark on your stone, but is it a stain or is it something else? Is it something we can repair or is it something that can be fixed? We get it. We've worked with many customers who have been in a similar situation, and one of the resources we recommend is the team at Beyond Stone Solutions. Beyond Stone Solutions is a leader in natural stone care, and I'm here with Efrain from their team, who is going to walk us through how to identify what is going on with your stone and what your next step should be.
That's right, Kelly. I know it could be very stressful for homeowners to see a mark on their beautiful natural stone. Something super important to note is that not all marks on your stone are stains. It may seem like a stain because you can see it and nothing seems to get it off, but some marks are actual marks of corrosion or etching.
That makes sense. Some stones are calcite-based, like marble, limestone, travertine, and several others. Their chemical composition makes them much more sensitive to acids. Therefore, they can etch even within a few seconds.
Exactly. One way to determine whether you have a stain or etching is by the color of the mark. A true stain is always darker than the surrounding material, while a lighter discolorations are often surface damage. Marks caused by etching are often mistaken for water spots or rings, but they're actually marks of corrosion caused by chemically active liquids, mostly acids, coming in contact with your stone.
So in instances like this, where there's a water stain or ring mark on the countertop, what can be done? Is there a product that you can use to remove it?
Unfortunately, Kelly, there isn't. What these marks truly are surface damage or microscopic erosion and missing material like a groove in the stone that can't be removed. Therefore, to resolve this problem, the material around the damage needs to be removed and made level with the deepest point of damage and resurfaced or honed.
Got it. So that seems like quite a process. It sounds like that's something a homeowner would need to call your team or another restoration company to do.
We are more than happy to help with this, and certainly a repair we make all the time. But surprisingly, it's not impossible to do yourself. If it's a stone is a polished marble, travertine, or onyx, if this material, you could try using a quality marble polishing compound. These have been effective to essentially erase the light etching on the polished surface and other calcite-based stones. If you're going to try this process, we always recommend testing a small, inconspicuous area first, and consult a professional for larger, more difficult areas. On the other hand, if your stone is a honed, soft, or matte finish, or even a mixed granite, you should probably hire a professional restoration contractor like ourselves.
Thank you so much for coming in today and educating us about etching. I know this is a common experience for many homeowners, so it's great to know this information.
Absolutely, anytime.
In our next video with Beyond Stone Solutions, we'll dive into what constitutes a stain in your natural stone and how you can remove it. You won't want to miss this information, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all next time.
See you then.